Wuchereria fancrafti, commonly called filarial worm. It is digenic, dimorphic, pseudocoelomate, schistozoic parasite that lives in lymph vessels of man. Life cycle discovered by Sir Patrick Manson. Separate sexes is there, male and female. The body is long, narrow, creamy white in color. Anterior end is blunt and posterior end is pointed. This upper part is anterior end, lower part is posterior end. Mouth is presented anterior end without any lips. Life cycle need to host men and female Culeus mosquito. Now we see about life cycles of mosquito. Both male and female worm found lymphatic vessels. After copulation, it released seated microfilarial larva. This one size 0.2 to 0.3 micrometer length. When mosquitoes suck the blood of human, that larva enter to the gut of mosquito. Now sheet get dissolved because here enzyme is there. This enzyme dissolved that sheet. Excited microfilarial reach to the hemocoel. Then it will reach to the thoracic muscles. Then it will form transferred sausage shaped larva. This one is the primary stage. Then it will reach to the labium. It will mature second and third stage. Third stage only labium. Now this mosquito will bite fresh candidate. This larva enter to the bloodstream of man, then reaches to the lymphatic vessels of man. Then third and fourth mating will occur. Then it will develop into the adult worm. This adult worm causing elephantiasis. It is a cyclic process. Now we see about nodes form. Life cycle. Both men and female worm found in the lymphatic vessels. After copulation, it will release the sheeted microfilarial larva. Then it will migrated into the blood. Okay. Then in daytime, this larva presented in the deeper blood vessels. In night time only it will penetrate the peripheral blood. That reason only we will collect sample midnight time, 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. Then this mosquito will suck the blood from infected human. This larva enter to the gut wall of mosquito. Then that sheet will dissolve 2 to 6 hours. Then larva penetrate and reach to the hemocoel. Then it will reach to the thoracic muscles. Then thoracic muscles. Then it will reach to primary, secondary, third stage. Third stage it will bite to new fresh candidate. This larva enter to the bloodstream. After that it will mature third and fourth stage. It will produce the new adult worm. It will cause elephantiasis. Then demonstration of microfilarial in peripheral blood phlegm. So we will collect 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. Then serological test, ELISA, immunofluorescent assay, indirect heme agglutination assay we are using. Then treatment, antifilarial drugs, diethyl carbamazine and ivermectin is available. Combination is best result. General measure, take rest, antibiotics, antifungal and physiotherapy. Then elephantoid tissue can be corrected surgically. Then preventive method, uses of mosquito nets and repellent.